Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Crack addict's definitely gonna love you. Oh, yeah, it does feel good, doesn't it? And just breathe through your nose. Don't bite your tongue. Okay. Now, do you work with Dr. Hightower?
He is my fiance.
Oh, okay.
He is the
Even
love
better.
of my life.
There you go.
She works at life.
Yeah.
Okay, Liza, stand right here for me first. Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Lais in here with us this afternoon. And Lais flew here with Dr. Bo Hightower, who they're getting married, so they're fiancés. So I'm going to make sure and treat her really well because, as you know, Dr. Bo is a really big guy and works on all these UFC fighters, right?
Sure.
Yeah, so we don't want him sending anybody here to Houston to beat me up. They've already tried to do that and it didn't work, but he might be the one. So I'm going to treat Lais just like she was my own wife, Renee. Okay, so let's have you close your eyes for me for just a moment and flex your head forward and backwards. So hold your hands out in front of you, though. Pull your shoulders forward.
So flex
Just your head. Yeah.
like this?
Mm-hmm. And then backwards. And then neutral. Okay. A little bit forward and right. You know, we really like people to wear their yoga pants in here because I get a much better biomechanical analysis whenever they have yoga pants on.
Biomechanics.
Yeah, it's all about biomechanics.
They should be called biomechanics pants.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We should invent those.
That's a great idea.
Good work, Chad.
Okay, Lais, let's have you go ahead and lay on your tummy. This crinkleless paper is just not long.
You need more, you need more.
Oh, we'll get it done with that.
Is it the same one?
That's a fresh piece for Lais.
Okay.
Okay, legs are even. She's doing better than both of you guys so far. And they stay even. That doesn't tighten up too badly in your low back either, does it?
Mm-hmm.
So she's got a little bit of left SI right there and a little bit on the right, but not bad. A little bit tender right there in L5. Tight paraspinals in her upper lumbars, lower thoracics. Ooh, that's tender. You got a few ribs displaced in there with where they attach to your vertebra in your thoracic spine. You got a cervical subluxation right there, right there. And you said you get headaches somewhat frequently.
Yes.
And your C2 is way off to the left right there. Do you feel that?
Me?
Yeah. Do you feel that when I'm pushing on?
What should I be feeling?
Well, it should probably feel a little tender right there.
Yeah, I suppose.
Okay. So, now we got that straightened out. I'm going to adjust your SI joints. Now this is me taking it easy on you. Okay. There you go. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
You're going to be like Renee. Crack addict's definitely going to love you. There we go. Good. One more. There. Yes, ma'am. Still even. Probably still feels good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to move up into your cervical spine here too. Straight P-Day on this one. You got a little less heavy-headedness on yours, so I'm going to lighten that up for you. There you go. Okay, now let's turn you on your back for me, ladies. Whoa. See, I got to do my exercises all day long in between patients.
On my back?
Yeah, I didn't hear you crinkling in the face paper.
No,
did you?
it's sprinkleless in
Yeah,
here.
yeah. All right. Renee will be on Amazon as soon as we get out here on that. Good. Okay, slide down this way about an inch right there and put both arms straight out to the sides. Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to adjust your AC joints, your sternoclavicular joints, and then your anterior costosternal joints. You said you had a lot of stress in your upper thoracic spine as well. It's probably because your ribs are subluxated with the thoracic spine and the sternum. Go ahead and relax your leg in my hand. There you go. And you should have felt that from your knee all the way up in your lower back.
That was great. I liked it.
Good. Bad girl. Alrighty. Okay, let's sit you up now. Face your fiance. There we go. Ooh, boy. Lots of crepitus in this shoulder here. There you go, good. Ooh, this one too. Boy, yours and Renee's shoulders got quite a bit of luck.
For sure.
Now, Lice likes to adjust her own cervical spine, so she's a little hypermobile there. So we're going to take it really easy on her when we do her manual neural spinal decompression. Looky there.
I love that.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful ring.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.
Did good.
Lice, let's have you come over here. You get center stage now.
You ready?
Not ready.
You will be. You'll be all right. I don't have any heads on my trophy wall yet.
Am I where I need to be?
I'll let you know in half a sec. Slide down. There you go. Perfect. You're just like Renee in the last two pegs. There you go. My plug keeps getting pulled out down there, so I have to plug it back in. Just so your legs relax a bit naturally with the table movement. This is how I advise most of my patients to start sleeping on their backs with their legs raised parallel to the floor. This flattens the lumbar spine out, changes the angles of the ilii. Okay, lift your
Yeah, that's great.
I haven't done anything yet.
No, I mean the way I'm laying.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
very
this feels
comfortable.
good, doesn't it?
Where should my hands be?
Right here. And just breathe through your nose. Don't bite your tongue. See there? That wasn't nearly as bad as you thought it was going to be, was it?
No?
See, you
Good, bro?
survived.
Yeah, I was so nervous.
Sorry, lay your head in my hands. See, I put more of a P to A thrust into this as opposed to a rotary thrust. Now, you've had your neck manipulated before. You
Yeah.
said you didn't like it much.
Yeah.
How'd that
It
feel to
wasn't
you?
bad. It wasn't painful or anything.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have you come over here, stand in front of the mirror so I can shoot you too. When I finish up with the patient so that we can start the neurospinal learning process in the cerebellum, because the cerebellum controls balance, posture, coordination, and all kinesthetic movement throughout the body. So let's have you flex forward and backwards and remember how this feels. Just your
Hit your
head.
head.
And then backwards. And then neutral. You're all right, don't worry about it. Look in the mirror right now. You stand up square as a military woman.
Yeah, I felt good.
Straighter.
In the, yeah, in the shoulders.
Yep, pull these up and back for me. And this will help that upper thoracic tightness you were talking about. This is the hard part though. Your head's a little forward, so we're gonna come straight back Z. And then negative theta X. You're gonna feel a little tap on your atlas right there. And another little tap right there. Okay, now try that very same move again. Tell me if this feels any smoother to you than the previous two times you did it.
Yeah, that feels a lot smoother. I'm getting full chin to chest.
Good. Look at there. You're right down there in there. Perfect.
Nice.
You look better than either one of these guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not to brag or anything.
So, this is your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief 2.
Yeah.
You guys came all the way here from Albuquerque to see us today.
Yeah.
What would you tell our crack addict fans about your first experience here at our office? Overall, everything. History, exams, everything.
Everything was amazing. The exam was very thorough. I really appreciate that. It was overall a really great experience. I would highly recommend it.
Great. And I highly recommend you go see Dr. Hightower if you're in New Mexico or even if you're in California or New York, because you got an airport there in Albuquerque too, right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for
Thank
sharing
you.
your experience
Thank
here
you
today.
so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnston, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief with a couple of the top chiropractors in the United States sitting right in here with us today. Dr. Bo Hightower, Dr. Brent Bender. Make sure you check out their channels. So
I'm like the third best cracker in this room right now.
look, yeah. Look them up on YouTube because they've got some great content as well. We'll see y'all next time.
So what just happened?
I just got the ring dinger. I was so nervous. I almost chickened out, but it feels really good. I feel good. I feel great. I didn't die, so a win.
Okay.